what you got?
We're at the dog park at Central Park, Santa Clarita, and there's a big rattlesnake, as you can see. And the dogs are here. I show the dogs. And the dog's here, and we want to make sure that no one gets hurt here. So let's get this guy out of here. There you go. Cool. So guys, please don't try this at home. These guys are extremely venomous. They could do serious harm, in fact, possibly kill you. And you guys aren't going to get it.
Wicked.
That's it. Okay. We meet again. Try to get to my wife to eat it. Right. See you later, guys.
All right, guys.
All right, buddy. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute. What did Bill do?
Well, he saved my dog.
I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing. Bill's a great guy. Right?
Oh, look, there's a rattlesnake warning. Gotta take this serious.
I need to bring my dog. I told my daughter, I said, I bet you we're going to find a